Welcome guys, in this video I will write the path and program for the 15th exercise of chapter 5. This program will ask the user to enter the scores of 5 tests and then a calculate average function will calculate the average of these scores, and another function determine grade will determine the grade of these test scores. Let's start the program. In the main function, prompt the user to enter the 5 scores. Score 1 and set this equal int input, enter the first score. Score 2 and set this equal int input, enter the second score. Similarly, create a variable score 3 and set this equal int input, enter the third score. Score 4 and set this equal int input, enter the fourth score. Similar for score 5 and set this equal int input, enter the fifth score. After prompting these 5 scores, define a function calculate average and calculate the average of these scores. So define calculate average and give this 5 parameters: first, second, third, fourth and fifth for the 5 test scores. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And in this function create a variable average and set this equal first plus second plus third plus fourth plus fifth divided by 5 to calculate the average. And return this average. After this, define another function determine grade to determine the grade of each test. So def determine grade and give this one parameter score for the scores of each test. If score less than 60, set grade equal F. If score greater than equal to 60 and score less than equal to 69, set grade equal D. If score greater than equal to 70 and score less than equal to 79, set grade equal to C. If score greater than equal to 80 and score less than equal 79, set the grade equal to B. And if score greater than equal to 90 and score less than equal to 100, set grade is equal to A. And at last return the grade. Now calculate and display the grade. So print \n score \t grade. After this, set grade is equal to determine grade and give this the score of first test. Score 1 and print the score and grade of first test. Similarly, now set grade is equal to determine grade for score 2 and print score 2 \t and grade. Similarly, do this for all 5 scores. Now calculate the average of these scores by calculate average method. We have defined print create a variable average and set this equal calculate average score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, score 5. Average score. And at last call the main function. Now run the program. Enter the first score, enter the second score, enter the third score, enter the fourth score, enter the fifth score. Score first 80 grade B and similarly for all, and average score. There is an error. Let's check. Here divide the sum of all number by 5. Run it again. Now enter the first score, second score, third score, fourth score and fifth score. Good, now it's work. Score 6, score 60 grade D, score 80 grade B and for all, and at last it displayed the average score, that is 71.8.